Hi, my name is Laimonas and I'm going to show how to add new records to MySQL database. So I already created a database test with table users and two fields. First one is ID, which one is auto increment, and second one is first name, which one is varchar and 25 characters long. So let's go to programming part. We need two documents, index.php and insert.php. Into index.php we're gonna write our HTML form with method post and action, which one redirects us to insert PHP document. After that we need one text field, type text, and name first name, and we'll need submit button. So input type submit. That's all in that part. So how it works? Post method sends his value to his document by his action. So we're gonna send value from his field, for example Laimonas, my first name, so I will send it to insert PHP document. So we do not see here values because we're using post method. If we write get method, we're gonna see our values to address bar like this, first name equals to Laimonas, so it's not so secure. So I will use post for that. So second part is insert PHP document. So we will need to connect to a host variable. So for that we will use con equals to MySQL connect to here will be three variables. First one is host name, so I'm using a localhost. So localhost, it can be your host like HTTP and so on. So for localhost it's enough to write his one. Second one is username, so my one is root, and last one is password. I don't use any password, so I leave it blank, just writing two quotation marks without anything between them. So second part is to check connection. So we'll need do if sentence, condition sentence. So if not connects to our host, he will die and writes, for example, could not connect to a host, and command MySQL error like this. So if his values are incorrect, he will give us error like this and stops. So second part is we need to select our database test. So select database. We will need to write command MySQL select db, and here gonna be two variables. Second one is to where he is connecting, so I write con, which one means his value, and first one is our database name, so in my case it is a test. After that we need to write actual MySQL query, which one adds our values from index PHP form. So we need to write insert to database table. So let's write MySQL. MySQL query and our actual query. Insert into our table name, which one is users. So users, here goes field names, so ID and first name. ID separated by comma and first name. After that we need to add values, so values, and this one goes between his quotation marks. We must be 1, not 2. So first one we're gonna leave blank because his ones goes to ID, exactly his, and ID is auto increment, so like I already said, it increases by 1 after each adding a new record. So we leave it blank, and the MySQL database will add the value self. So the second value is our first name. So because we're using post method, we're gonna write $, underscore, and post, and our his field name, so his one, like you see. So let's test it. Like you see, here is no entries, so I'm gonna add new one. My first name is Laimonas, so he redirected to insert PHP, and we're gonna see here first record and first name is Laimonas, so it works. After that we need to do failsafe for empty entries. So if we go here and leave it blank and click submit, it adds I'm gonna show it adds empty value to his one. So to do failsafe for that, we need to check if post first name is true when he adds to his query, for example like this. Else it gonna gives us output like fill the form, something like this. And we can write here, for example, after he adds to database record added. So right now it's gonna look like this. So if I write a name, for example John, and click submit, it shows record added, and we're gonna see it here, John. If we leave it blank and click it, it says fill form and doesn't add anything. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe button, and if you have any questions, comment below. See you.